Hello guys, welcome back to my channel that is Olympus Mons, and today we'll talk about uh, one hit app that's rate the video, that's version 2, this one. Okay, so it's this hit app is in demand nowadays, and so many people are working on this, and I've got so many requests to unlock to pass this qualification test because it's a little bit difficult. It's first, let's go to the training session first. Okay, so the six hits are available in this training attempt. Okay, let's go to that. Okay, it's taking time to load. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, so here is this. You have to see the video and then rate from 1 to 5. Okay, let's go to this. You need to play a video first because you cannot go directly like this. And if you try to submit this, it won't. It tells you, please, before submitting this heat tab, this entire, you have to see the entire video. So let's see the video.
Michael McIntyre is one of the most popular and successful comedians in the UK. He has sold out arenas, hosted his own show, and made millions laugh with his witty observations and hilarious anecdotes. But apart from his stand-up,
It's longer.
McIntyre is also known for his prankster side. He has pulled off some of the most hilarious and unexpected pranks on celebrities, his family, and even strangers. He pranked London Underground passengers as the announcer, joking about the gap between the train and reality. For his wife's birthday, he hired a choir and hid in a cake. He sang a personalized song and popped out of the cake, surprising and delighting her. He also loves to mess with his fellow celebrities, especially on his show Michael McIntyre's Big Show. He has done things like sending embarrassing texts from their phones, stealing their clothes, and breaking into their hotel rooms. But perhaps his most daring and hilarious prank was when he kidnapped the pop star Robbie Williams from his dressing room. He then drove him around London while forcing him to perform his songs with a karaoke machine in the car. He also made him do random tasks, such as buying flowers and getting tattoos. Michael McIntyre is a master of comedy and a genius of pranks. He always manages to make people laugh with his clever and creative jokes. He is truly a British treasure and a comedy legend.
Okay, so the video is complete. Also, let's submit it now. That's submitted. So let's see the second video.
Have you ever seen a goat with long, floppy ears? If so, you might have encountered an Anglo-Nubian goat, a British breed.
Okay,
that's
let's try it. If you can submit, we can submit it without looking it again. No, you have to see the entire video, but you can. I think you can. Let's.
goat with
Okay,
long, floppy.
you have played this in this phase.
Have you ever seen a goat?
No. Okay, now go to the next
Seen a
one.
goat with long, floppy ears?
No, you can't go.
If so, you might have encountered an Anglo-Nubian goat, a British breed that is popular around the world for its milk and meat. The Anglo-Nubian goat is a breed that combines genes from British, Indian, African, and Middle Eastern goats, which gives it a distinctive appearance and personality. They have large, pendulous ears that hang down to their shoulders, a convex nose, and a long, arched neck. These goats are not only charming but also adaptable and hardy. They can tolerate hot and dry climates, as well as cold and wet ones, and they can thrive on different types of feed and vegetation. Anglo-Nubian goats have long ears and milk rich in butter fat and protein. Their milk is good for cheese, yogurt, and some like it more than cow's milk. Anglo-Nubian goats also
So it takes this whole video takes around 2 to 3 minutes to
they are
watch.
bred for meat, especially in countries that like goat meat, such as in the Middle East and Africa. Anglo-Nubian goats are smart, curious, and friendly. They like people and goats and can learn
This is
tricks.
already about Anglo-Nubian goat.
The Anglo-Nubian
That's
goat
interesting.
is truly an amazing breed that combines beauty, utility, and personality. It is no wonder that they are loved by many farmers, cheesemakers, and goat enthusiasts around the world.